Do you want to make money as a woodworker? Or are you looking for trending wood decor ideas and wood furniture ideas to elevate your living spaces? In either case, you have come to the right place, as we have gathered you more than 80 stylish wood decor ideas and wood furniture ideas. You can duplicate these ideas if you want to make money fast as a woodworker. If you are not into the business side of woodworking, you can use your creations to elevate the look of your home, office, or patio. Making money as a woodworker, or any other job for that matter, is not an easy task. But have you ever wondered why we need to make money? Making money is a fundamental aspect of modern society. Whether we realize it or not, the pursuit of money influences our daily lives, decisions, and social structures. At the most basic level, money is required to fulfill our essential needs. According to Maslow's hierarchy of needs, physiological needs such as food, water, shelter, and clothing are foundational for human survival. Money provides the means to acquire these necessities. Without a stable income, individuals may struggle to secure basic sustenance and safe living conditions. That's why many woodworkers are looking for ways to make money fast. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of make money ideas as a woodworker with stylish wood decor ideas and wood furniture ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Continuing our talk about why we need to make money, access to healthcare, medications, and health-related services often requires financial resources. Making money allows individuals to invest in their health, preventing chronic diseases and promoting overall well-being. In many places, the lack of financial resources can lead to inadequate healthcare, resulting in poorer health outcomes. Earning money contributes to personal financial security. A stable income allows individuals to save for emergencies, invest in their future, and plan for retirement. The ability to manage finances effectively reduces stress and enhances overall quality of life. On a larger scale, when individuals earn money, they contribute to the economy. This can lead to job creation, increased demand for goods and services, and overall economic growth. A thriving economy benefits society as a whole, providing opportunities for community development and improved living standards. Now that we have revised why we need to make money, let's talk about how woodworkers actually make money. Woodworking is an age-old craft that combines artistry, skill, and practicality. For many woodworkers, it's not just a hobby but a viable source of income. One of the most lucrative avenues for woodworkers is creating custom furniture. This includes items such as tables, chairs, cabinets, and shelves tailored to clients' specific needs and preferences. Custom furniture often commands premium prices due to its uniqueness and craftsmanship. Woodworkers can establish a niche by specializing in particular styles, materials, or techniques, thus attracting a dedicated clientele. In addition to furniture, woodworkers can produce various home decor items such as picture frames, wall art, and decorative bowls. These smaller pieces can be easier to sell at craft fairs, online marketplaces, or through social media. The key is to create eye-catching designs that appeal to current trends in home decor. Items like cutting boards, utensils, and serving trays are popular among consumers looking for unique and functional kitchenware. Woodworkers can capitalize on this market by using high-quality materials and offering personalized engraving or designs. These products often have a good profit margin and can be marketed as eco-friendly alternatives to plastic. The rise of e-commerce has opened new avenues for woodworkers to sell their products. Platforms like Etsy, Amazon Handmade, and eBay allow artisans to reach a global audience. By creating a visually appealing online store and optimizing product listings with keywords, woodworkers can attract customers from all over the world. Social media platforms such as Instagram and Pinterest are excellent tools for showcasing woodworking projects and attracting potential customers. By posting high-quality images, engaging stories, and behind-the-scenes videos, woodworkers can build a following and drive traffic to their online stores. Collaborating with influencers or other artisans can also expand their reach. Having a personal website allows woodworkers to establish a professional online presence. This can serve as a portfolio to showcase their work, provide information about services offered, and facilitate direct sales. Additionally, a blog can be an effective way to share woodworking tips, project ideas, and tutorials, further attracting visitors and potential customers. Participating in local craft fairs and markets is a traditional method for woodworkers to sell their products. These events allow artisans to connect with their community, showcase their craftsmanship, and sell directly to customers. Building a visually appealing booth and providing excellent customer service can enhance sales and create lasting impressions. Trade shows are another avenue for woodworkers to display their products, particularly if they are focusing on larger-scale manufacturing or wholesale opportunities. These events attract buyers from various industries, including retail and interior design. Networking at trade shows can lead to valuable business relationships and increased sales opportunities. Many woodworkers find that custom orders and commissions can be a significant source of income. Clients often seek unique pieces for special occasions, such as weddings, anniversaries, or corporate gifts. By offering personalized options, woodworkers can charge a premium for their craftsmanship. Collaborating with interior designers, architects, and builders can open new revenue streams for woodworkers. By partnering with professionals who require custom woodwork for their projects, woodworkers can secure steady contracts and gain access to a broader client base. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked make money ideas as a woodworker with stylish wood decor ideas and wood furniture ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.